I got hit by a car and the impact sent me in the air and my face hit the windshield and it cracked all my teeth. So I had to have all my teeth removed, and that's when my problems began with my teeth. That was in the early 90s. I've wore dentures since then, but everybody dentures that I wore, they just wasn't right. I was gassy, couldn't eat. I was having a hard time chewing my food because they was big, bulky, and they made my mouth sit all the way out, teeth looking big. And then one day I just Googled. I don't even remember what I Googled. And the first thing came up was Geller Dental Group. And I said, you know what? I don't want nothing around me. I'm going to try them. And I called, I made the appointment, I met Dr. Levitz, and that was the best thing of my life.
She had been gumming it for quite some time, and obviously, as you could imagine, she was very unhappy living that way, not just from a functional perspective, but also an aesthetic perspective as well. And she actually didn't even feel comfortable bringing the old dentures to me to look at because she was so unhappy with the way that we looked. Carol had emphasized to me how important it was to her to make sure that the work was done as properly as possible. However many appointments that it took, however many visits, whatever amount of time it took, all she wanted was a nice set of dentures that fit well and looked good and felt good when she ate.
When I finally got my dentures and I looked, it was the most beautiful thing I could ever seen. And it made me glad because I've been going to different doctors, getting the dentures, but when Dr. Levitz told me to smile and I saw the dentures, I was like, oh my God, you're the best. I was so excited. He said to me, remember, it's just like getting teeth. It's new. You can't go wild. Eat some eggs first. I went and ate me a steak from Outback. Yes, I did. And chewed it comfortably. Without me just before I was chew, a little bit swallow, and to be gassy all the time. I haven't had gas since I had my dentures.
Generally speaking, it is not recommended to go and eat the hardest, crunchiest, or toughest thing that you could find on the first day with your dentures. But she felt so good walking out of here, she went right to Outback Steakhouse and ordered a steak and loved every bite of it. So really that's just a testament to how well the procedure went with her and how happy she was with the final result. I really do feel like the work that I have done for her has really led to her being an incredibly happy individual, completely polar opposite of the way things were when I had met her for the first time when she was toothless.
I have been wearing dentures, like I said, since the early 90s. But these are the first ones that I ever wore and comfortable with. He made my day. The man of the year, Dr. Levitz.